Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about NIO ET5. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy NIO ET5? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. The ET5 is a latest sedan by NIO. It competes against Tesla Model 3 and the Mercedes C-Class EV, Mercedes EQC sedan, and BMW i3. Designed to be a high-volume model in its own right, the ET5 packs familiar features from the brand into a smaller and more affordable offering. Pros. Here are the pros of NIO ET5. Rear-wheel bias and performance. Clean cabin layout. High degree of customizability both inside and out. We will tell you the cons at the end of this video. Engine. Engine type, electric. Engine power, 360 kilowatts. Torque, 700 Newton meters. Fuel type, electric. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Body type, sedan. Available in following colors: vetiver, terracotta, skyline violet, onyx black, cool gray, sand. Performance. Top speed 200 km per hour. Acceleration 0 to 62 in 4.3 seconds. Here we are discussing the features of NIO ET5. The safety features include blind spot alert, rear cross traffic alert with pedestrian and cyclist detection, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and lane change warning. Here are the cons of NIO ET5. Limited rear headroom. Voice assistant struggles with English. Lack of head-up display. Expected price. Price in United States. NIO ET5 price in United States of America is $46,100. NIO ET5 price in Germany is DEU 49,900. NIO ET5 price in Australia is AU $70,000. NIO ET5 price in Australia is MDL 328,000. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of NIO ET5 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.